थिंक लॉजिस्टिक्स, थिंक डोगरा ग्रुप। श्रेष्ठ सर्विस और सपोर्ट के साथ साथ चेयरमैन कमल डोगरा की गाइडेंस के अधीन डोगरा ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज हैं भारत की लीडिंग ब्रांड इन लॉजिस्टिक्स सपोर्ट एंड सॉल्यूशंस। डोगरा ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज, सपोर्टिंग ड्रीम।
नमस्कार, मैं रमेश कुमार बोल रहा हूँ समाचार सड़क से। आज हम एक विशेष अतिथि से मिलते हैं। इनको एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बड़ा है। ये जब कॉलेज से निकल के आया है लेट 70s में, टाटा मोटर्स में ज्वाइन किया पूना में, उसके बाद महिंद्रा में काम किया, लेलैंड में काम किया, गाड़ी चलाया और उसके बाद ये मास्टर ट्रेनर बनकर बहुत स्किल्स करता है। इसका कंपनी का नाम VR स्किल्स है, जयपुर बेस्ड है। आइए मिस्टर विजय सोनी से मिलते हैं।
Majority of long-haul truck drivers come mostly from Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Okay, this areas. But there is not a single, driver training school I heard of on the lines of, Leyland, Namakkal, or, ILFS.
In Chhattisgarh, there is one.
Where?
Chhattisgarh or, Madhya Pradesh, I think.
No, Madhya Pradesh, I know.
Ashok Leyland.
Yeah, I had been there. It was the, former Transport Minister Kamal Nath constituency, Chinchwad.
Yes.
Chinchwada.
Chinchwada, correct.
Yeah. But how come there is not a single driver training institute of that scale in the eastern part of the country? But that is where the drivers all come from, and none of them come to any of the driver training schools. That is happening mostly in the driver training school is very heavy in the, strength is very, high in the southern part of the country. Why? Why there is why nobody thought of DTI, opening DTI in this, catchment area where most of the drivers come from? Why?
See, there are two things. One is the state government, another is central government. They have to take initiative, and third is that, partner from the industry. But I have been to, Chhattisgarh around 2 or 3 years back. And I don't know whether you know there is a place called Korea in the north part of the Chhattisgarh.
Which part? Where is it? Where exactly in Chhattisgarh?
Chhattisgarh, North Chhattisgarh, Korea.
How do you spell
Korea is a place. Korea is a country as well.
Oh, okay.
So,
You've been there.
Yeah, I've been there, and what I found, I went for the assessment only, and that was regarding driver only. So I thought this area never been to, Naxalite belt and all that. I wanted to see all that, So I went personally. And what I found is the Chhattisgarh government has opened the skill center in the, almost all the district of the state.
In all districts?
Almost. Means I've seen whatever district I've visited, I've seen. Even the rural part of the state also, there are skill centers. The skill center has been given, the huge land and with the number of rooms and, training halls, everything is available over there. In fact, some of the places, most of the places they have given, on public partnership mode, the driving training and all that. But sooner or later, at some places they have purchased their own vehicle as well. Especially in North Korea, there was, 1 or 2 vehicles standing there and they purchased. Of course, driving part or training is not up to the mark. That is a separate issue. But from the government side, first level initiative is taken, and that is good one. At least they develop the almost track and the land or the building they have constructed and well one. It's a really good one.
सोनी साहब ने बहुत कुछ बताया। जब आप कोरिया जिला में सफ़र कर रहा था असेसमेंट के लिए, तभी उन्होंने बहुत ट्रेनर से मिला था, मुलाकात हुई। उनके बारे में ये क्या कहना चाहता है, सुनिए।
Another part where the things are missing is the driver trainer. See, driver trainer, though they may be or they are certified from the ASDC or whatever, but they themselves do not know how many types of road signs are there and what is the in case you ask them to drive the vehicle. I doubt they will be able to drive the vehicle. When I went for assessment, people do not know how to release the handbrake. They were having a kusti with the handbrake lever.
But tell me, like all these, trainers are, certified by, this kind of sector skill councils. But how
Yeah.
can they really, enable them to become a certified trainer?
See, the certified trainer, again, there are some parameters. Based on that, they are certified. See, in that, certification is, 4 days or 2 days time certification. So, in 2 days or 3 days time, what you can do is you can ask them how to, normally what they do is you ask them to do certain tasks. And if they complete, they are certified as a trainer. But that particular job role training and job role related work need to be, or domain related work or certification need to be done separately and thoroughly. Which is, in my opinion, it's missing in not only for driving part, even for other segment also. In fact, I asked one of the trainer, how many centimeters are there in a kilometer?
Ha.
So he said 100. I said, okay, bring one
Bang on,
puta.
bang on.
So I just simply asked him, in case 12-inch scale I take. So you mean to say 1 kilometer is almost 3.25 feet. That's all. Then why, government has put the 1 kilometer milestone at, so long or such a long distance. So that guy was again confused. So forget about, the minute part.
Okay, a relevant question here. How relevant is this question which you asked? Like how many, centimeters in a kilometer?
See, in case a person need to especially train the candidate on, 0.02 millimeter or 0.01 millimeter deviation, especially wheel alignment and other things, at least he should know what does it mean. If you do not know what does it mean, 0.02, see, wheel plays an important part, especially, wheel alignment and,
that is fine, Mr. Soni. See, since you're talking about, wheel alignment, see, a trained driver or, even a driver trainer,
yeah.
as he really, I mean, it cannot be theoretical. So as he drives on the, road, highway, wherever it is, when he starts getting that wobbly kind of a stuff, he knows
Yeah.
that he's out of alignment. Okay.
Yeah.
So he does not know how many millimeters, the wheel is, misaligned. But he can easily, sense that something wrong with the wheel alignment. Okay. That's the reason why I'm asking how relevant is this, your question. Okay. Please go ahead.
No, you are talking, in the driver scenario. I'm not talking especially driver scenario. I'm talking about the technical trainer. Technical trainer, when he need to, give the training to the technician level, he must know all this.
Okay.
He must know all this. As far as, the driver part and the wheel alignment is concerned, a senior or expert driver understand whether it's a wheel is wobbling or alignment problem. Because if you are driving and the vehicle is pulling on one side, then you know the wheel alignment, especially toe-in problem is there or there is something wrong with the wheel alignment geometry. And expert driver also knows in case there is a tire wear from the center of the tire, it means the tire is overinflated. In case the tire wear is from the shoulder of both the side of the tire, it indicates the tire is underinflated. Normally, the heavy commercial vehicle driver, they put a tire lever on the tire and say, yes, the pressure is okay or pressure is not okay. So that is the, expertise normally they said they have. But I have physically checked. I asked, rather I challenged in one of the, roadways depot. Okay, you come and now tell me. So one particular tire, whatever pressure they said, I started writing down. And then physically we checked and we found they were nowhere near to the actual pressure found in the tire.
So this is something like, I mean, the quality of a trainer also gets reflected in the kind of people who come out of people certified by this kind of trainers, right?
Yes, yes. See,
like
one of the senior person in the ASDC also, talked about why people are hesitating in taking the, certified technician in their own organization. And that person, he was highly respected from the dealership scenario. So if you have a doubt on your own certification, then I believe it's a very big question mark on the certification process.
बस इतना ही आज का समाचार सड़क का एपिसोड में फिर से मिलते हैं। नमस्कार, बाय।